Hey everyone, this is Ryan at Fishhooked. Just have a short video for you today where I'll show you how to set up your Stripe account so you can begin selling and making money. So just like many sites use PayPal, we use Stripe as the payment processor. Stripe acts similar to PayPal in that it securely stores your financial information, so no data is stored on Fishhooked. Stripe also allows users to securely pay you for sold items and transfers money directly to your bank account. Some other companies that use Stripe are Amazon, Facebook, and Under Armour. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be in the seller's dashboard. Then you'll click here to connect to Stripe. After you do that, another page will pop up where you just click again to connect to Stripe. After that, you'll be in the Stripe page, and basically all you do is fill everything out here. So you'll start here, where they want you to tell us about the business. Really, you'll just say that you're selling fishing items. Don't need much detail there. The business type, obviously you're just an individual. You're not a company, so you don't need a tax ID. The address here, the business address, is just your home address associated with your banking account. The website you would use here is fishhook.com. Fill in your personal details here. For the SOCH, you just need the last four, so don't worry about typing in the whole thing. For your business name here, you're just going to want to put your full name. So that's the name that will show up on a credit card statement for someone that purchases something from you. Next is the banking details. This is obviously so you'll get paid, so fill everything in there. For the email, you're going to want to use the email that is associated with your Fishhooked account, and then create a password. And then all you do is authorize access, and you're good to go. The next page it'll take you to is back to Fishhooked, and your account is currently set up, and now you can sell.